Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. If we can pass that, that would be great as well. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time in the video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, that wraps the video. Like I said in the beginning, come get this to 60 likes. Yes, we can, so smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps on the YouTube algorithm. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out the channel massively. And comment on John, don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Aki from Chainsaw Man. Hope you enjoyed this message. I did have a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love how the outcome came out, especially with the background, how Cone came out. I think the eyes came out super cool and vibrant, and it looks like it's glowing even. So hope you enjoyed this message. I did have a lot of fun making this drawing. And if you want to see more Chainsaw Man drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be leaving some drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before. They'd be really like, so make sure to check it out. It's to be in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist there for Chainsaw Man, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.